we andu ange makwita atongoi mamithiti, atongoi mong'uthu, atongoi makiti cha nyukwe, mukwambanga Kalonzo wako kukunwa kura. Kalonzo ndio kukunwa kura na kamba thei sini cia nyukwe, mamithifia nindi Kalonzo no kukunwa kura na kamba thei, ona kamba thei makunia Kalonzo kura ndabita. Kikuyu be mundu kukunia Kalonzo kura? No. Mombasa be mundu kukunia Kalonzo kura? No. Kalenjin be mundu kukunia Kalonzo kura? No. Mwamu kwambanga Kalonzo akunwe kura. Kunwe kura no. Sini cia nyukwe. Amukaina mithifia sini cia nyukwe. Alamu kwamba jama mithiti no ng'uthu Raila imuku. Ni mukulia niki au makwa muya sini cia nyukwe. Kaicho kitumia nyukwe na au makuza meyanga. Nikwithia mwenda andu ala makusi no cia nyukwe. Kiti kila kiukindwe cha nyukwe. Tumwele tunini tweka. Kobe kiti kia tumwele tunini chaku. Evya beka mwele tukanini ko kindwa kotumia kiti chaku. Dhiwose, kiti kite chaku kina kuudhi nini? Kiti kite chaku kina kuudhi nini? Binu sitesi ya kusina kuudhi nini unless motherfucker we mshoga. My fellow Kenyans, my name is Frederick Mutoni, USA based. I have this piece of advice for you Kenyans. Nairobi should be run by the government, not politicians. No, that's why it's ruined. Politicians cannot run the biggest city in Kenya. It should be run by the government, by specialists, people appointed by the government who are appointed based on their knowledge. Hot, Mulolongo. Hot, guys. Hey. I follow the rules. Mulolongo kuka wakamala. Hot ko Mulolongo. It is you mava Mulolongo omna nito Mutoni. Pe mondo isi wala ndonyona kiti cha Mulolongo. Ti Mutoni mwezi ya mukuma. Nengai mwezi ya mukuma anga lakini watuwa mwasi ngai mukiki ya Mutoni vo. Na ngai nosi. Na ninisi. Na ngai ula wetu nini wisi. Niwe mwezi ya mukuma. Na chukumu cha ngai mwikala na cho forever. One of the major reasons why so many of you Kenyans kill yourself, you hang yourself, is because you don't share your problems. Even if your father raped you, even if you had sex with your mother, share with somebody what bothers you. By sharing, you reduce the tension of your mind. Mwambi lio wambi, nkaya tunengie mundu mwe, esitwa yake ni Raila Odinga. Aitutani, tumukunie kura kwa Raila Odinga. Amen.